One of the best parts about being a nanny is all the field trips you can take with the children, the places that you can go, the activities that you can get up to, both learning and fun. So today we're going to look at 10 activities you can do for free or almost free anywhere you live. If we haven't met before, I'm Michelle Kelsey, founder of the Nanny Solution by Nannies on Call. Each week I bring you new videos to educate you on how to get better jobs and make more money. Let's dive right into this topic today. This is one of my favorite topics, all the fun things you can do with children in your city or neighborhood. The first one is the library. You've probably all been to the library with the children you work for, and that's lots of fun. Going to the library is the perfect thing to do on a rainy day or a day maybe even when it's too hot out and the library is air conditioned this summer. Lots of libraries have reading programs and different activities that you can join and be part of. Think about going outside your neighborhood. Here where I live in Vancouver, we have a fantastic downtown library. It has an entire floor for the children and different activities that they're constantly updating weekly. So keep an eye out for the activities in the libraries. Number 2, a walk in nature or a visit to the park. Nothing beats some time in nature and getting your hands dirty, looking at the leaves, collecting rocks, watching the ants in the line. There are so many things to do to keep children entertained outdoors. Number 3, visit the farmer's market. Truly my favorite. You could get me going to the farmer's market at any time. Taking the children to the farmer's market and letting them taste some of the samples that are being offered is so much fun. Remember to try and pick something new every time you go to the farmer's market to taste and enjoy. The children can also talk to and learn from the people that are there, whether it's making crafts or farmers there to sell their vegetables. There are lots of learning opportunities at the farmer's market. Number 4, museum or gallery. Lots of museums have children's days or days where it's free to take them. So check out your local museum for these discounted days. This is your chance to explore it all. Science, art, history, and culture all at one time. Number 5, a trip to the community garden. I know where I live, community gardens are popping up all over the place, and it's a great way for children to go see how vegetables are grown. Some of these gardens you can walk through just on your own, and some of them you have to book a tour for. But what a great way for children to see where their food comes from. Number 6, beach or lake day. If you're lucky enough to live by some water, this is a great way to spend an entire day building sandcastles, playing in the water, or just relaxing in the shade. Don't forget to pack sunscreen and a snack or a picnic lunch. Number 7, DIY science project at home. Okay, sometimes there are days where you just can't go outside because it's too hot in the summer or the weather, snow, rain, whatever it is. So always having a project for home is great. You can make this a bit more involved by having the children pick a science experiment, going out to the store, getting the supplies you need, and coming home to do it. I love Pinterest for finding the best ideas. Visit to the local police or fire station. Police and fire stations often have days where you can come and check them out. I remember when my kids were little, they used to love this. They loved the trip to the local police station. This is a great way for children to learn about what these important professionals do. Number 9, cultural exploration of your city. Can you do a tour of your city and the different neighborhoods and areas? Maybe a trip to Chinatown, historic landmarks, statues, or cultural neighborhoods. What a great way to spend a day exploring different neighborhoods and areas of your own city. Number 10, outdoor scavenger hunt. I used to do this one all the time with my own children, and it kept them busy for hours. You can go online and find different scavenger hunts for the park, the playground, the pool, literally anything you can find a scavenger hunt for, or create your own. Give them each a shopping bag, a list, and head on out to see what you can find. You can even have a small prize for finding all the items on the list. One of the toughest things I put on one of the children's scavenger hunts one year was a 4-leaf clover, and they spent hours in the grass looking for a 4-leaf clover, and they had an amazing time. Do you have anything you love to do with the children? Comment down below so we can learn from each other and get new ideas. Have a great week, and we'll see you soon.